Hello and welcome to the Assembly community page. In this video, I'm going to walk through what the Assembly community is. The Assembly community page, which you're looking at here, is a public and open Assembly account designed to bring people closer to Assembly and assemblers. We think the better the dialogue is and the more organic it happens, the better we'll be able to serve you, our customers. Inside the Assembly account, you'll have a few flows here on the left designed mainly around four things. One, we'd love to get your suggestions and maybe even bugs you find addressed. Two, we'd love to spotlight flows, customers, and specific use cases we think would be really useful. Three, we'd love to talk about new launches and give really in-depth ideas on how to use these things and why we built them. And four, we'd love to start doing future Feature Fridays, in which we'll talk about new features that are in flight, hopefully opening up a dialogue so we can continue to hone in and build the right things. To enter this account, either have someone at Assembly add you, or anyone else in the account can click here and hit Add Teammates and send an invite using your email. In order to get from your corporate account into this account, simply navigate on the top right, hit Sign Out, and then you should be presented with different Assembly accounts that you have access to. One of those will be the Assembly community page, and simply select that and it'll pop you in right here. If you have any trouble or think we're covering the wrong things, please reach out. We would love to help.